Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that can truly transform your home life, a minimalist kitchen renovation. If you're tired of cluttered countertops, overflowing drawers, and just a general feeling of chaos in the heart of your home, this one's for you. And don't worry, this isn't about getting rid of everything you own. It's about creating a space that's functional, beautiful, and a joy to be in. So, where do we start? The first step is always decluttering. Go through every single cabinet and drawer. Ask yourself, when was the last time I used this? Do I have duplicates? Be ruthless. That avocado slicer you got 3 Christmases ago, it might be time to let it go. This single step will make the biggest difference, and it costs you nothing but a little bit of time. Once you've cleared out the excess, you can see what you're really working with. Now for the fun part, design. Minimalism loves clean lines and a neutral color palette. Think whites, grays, and natural wood tones. This doesn't mean your kitchen has to be boring. You can add pops of color with a few carefully chosen items, like a vibrant kettle or a beautiful fruit bowl. Consider open shelving for your everyday items. This forces you to be tidy, but also makes your beautiful dishes part of the decor. For everything else, smart storage is key. Think drawer dividers, pull-out pantry shelves, and vertical organizers for things like baking sheets and cutting boards. The goal is to make everything easy to find and easy to put away. It's about creating systems that work for you. For example, create a coffee station with your machine, mugs, and beans all in one spot. Or a baking zone with all your flours, sugars, and mixing bowls together. This isn't just about looks, it's about efficiency. When your kitchen is organized and clutter-free, you'll find that cooking becomes less of a chore and more of a creative, relaxing process. A minimalist kitchen isn't created overnight. It's a gradual process of refining what you own and how you organize it. But I promise you, the peace and clarity it brings to your daily routine is absolutely worth it. What are your biggest kitchen clutter challenges? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on simple, intentional living. See you in the next one.